Jolene's got the hood sides welded up. We did a video yesterday where we put the square tubing in the place of sheet metal. This is what it looks like. This is a piece of square tubing. We've been able to butt weld it along the edge there. This is her first time butt welding, and this is what it looks like. It looks like just as if I would have done it. That's what it looks like. You can see on the square tubing and the sheet metal, I did not grind all the weld off. I do not like doing that, and the reason being is, as a body man and applying filler, I know what it's like to come in and hit something and not have any material. When it cracks and breaks, you know, then you're back into fixing things again and rebuilding. I do not like doing that. That's going backwards. So as I did not grind off the weld, that's what it looks like. That's Jolene's first butt weld. It tells me that Jolene's probably going to be a metal man or metal woman. But anyways, as we get going, this is a 40 Plymouth that we're customizing, and we are smoothing it off. This car has been chopped 6 inches. It was a 1, 2, 3, it was a 5-window coupe. We've chopped it and made our own windows, made it look like a hard top. On these Plymouths, it's hard to make it look like a hard top because the back window is the shape of the top door, top of the door. And what I have done is I've cut the top of the door off, welded it to the roof, and made it match up the back window, which give us this look, the two-door hardtop look. I've never seen one done like it before, but I'm sure there will be another one. The drip rail molding was removed and smoothed off. The back fenders have been welded on, filled out to make look like one piece. The running boards are getting welded on, made to look like one piece. They'll get smoothed out. On the back fender of this 40 Plymouth, I also come in here, the back fender used to come up like this. I also peaked it so it looked like the front fender. I really liked the looks of the front fender, and the back fender does not have that on the Plymouth. And then we were able to make this 6-inch curtain that comes across the back. This car has sat in the outside for a couple years, and it's just getting some love right now. Jolene has got the other side welded up on the hood. She's used square tubing on that side and welded that on. The running board is on this side. So right now we're flying right along. I'm very happy with her progress because it gets us to get something done every day, if you know what I'm trying to say. The next video we'll be making tomorrow, we're going to show you how to make a one-piece hood out of a butterfly hood and do it the right way. I don't know if they do it the right way. We're going to show you how we do it our way, and you can figure out if it's the right way or not. How's that? You can figure that out. But that's just the content that we have today. We'll make a video tomorrow. I'm trying to get something done on the Bugatti so I can show you something on that, but it's hard for me because I've got to clean it before I work on it. So that means I got to polish all the metal back up and get all the little rust off the top of it so I can prepare to move on. And I'm trying to do that as we're juggling back and forth. We're also restoring a fountain at the same time. So we're doing things. It's just we haven't been showing anything on the Bugatti lately, but we will. And that's what we'll do. We'll make a video every day and we'll show our progress of what we're doing. Also, we can show you how we do it so you can know how you want to do it. Christmas is coming up. It's going to be a hard Christmas, and I really feel that instead of buying things this year, a lot more people should use their brain and make something this year. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be anything special. It just has to be the thought. And I think that everybody would know that the thought means more. You know, it's just that time of year. Yeah, we are going to work all year on these so hard. The rest of the year, we're going to work on them so hard. The next year, we're going to work on them so hard that we want to have them done for next year. That's what we want to do. And we want to motivate everybody else that watches, that has old cars that are playing, to get their cars done and get in the old garage and go for it. Because this is the time to do it, you know. Idle hands is a devil's broth, and when we get inside and get working, there's no thinking going on. There's what you do is what you think about. And that's what we are doing. We are going to make videos every day, and we are going to post them, and we're going to put them on YouTube. And we would like you to go to YouTube to follow. If you want to, that's up to you. We will not steer you wrong. Will we, baby? Not a chance. Have a good night, we are. See you tomorrow. We're going to do a hood. YouTube.